In January 2026, Arya visited his grandfather's old house in Pangkal Pinang with his close friend Gazi to help clean it after years of being left untouched. Dust floated around the air as sunlight entered through the doors, giving the house a quiet, nostalgic feeling. The modern sounds of the city outside felt distant, as if the house was holding memories from another time. While searching beneath an old table, Ghazi discovered a dusty radio with deep scratches on its surface. Beside it lay an old mixtape labeled January 1996. In faded handwriting, curious, they decide to turn on the radio. At first, it crackled, then a strange and haunting song filled the room. Suddenly, a bright white light burst from the radio and surrounded them.
When the light faded, everything felt different. Although the house looked the same, the atmosphere had changed. Outside, old motorcycles passed by, children play in the street, and cassette music echo from nearby house. A calendar hanging on the wall showed the date clearly, January 1996. They had been transferred into the past. Pangkal Pinang in January 1996 was lively in a way they had never experienced. There were no smartphone or internet cafe. Small shops lined the streets. Radio played continuously and people interacted face to face. The air carried the sense of sea, breeze, and rain, while all buildings stood quietly under the warm sunlight.
Soon after, the radio stopped working. On the porch of the house, a young man was repairing a broken chair. Arya realized with his shock that the man was his grandfather in his youth. He examined the radio and discovered that its stone battery had run out. He explained that a replacement could be found at a small shop near the crossroad and warned them to hurry. Arya and Ghazi ran through the streets of Pangkal Pinang, passing bicycle, food stalls, and posters nailed to the wooden walls. After finding the stone battery and replacing it, the radio came back to life. The strange song played once again. A bright light suddenly burst from it.
Moments later, Arya and Ghazi woke up in the same dusty house in January 2026. Everything was quiet, as if nothing unusual had happened. A phone vibrated on the table, and a calendar confirmed they had returned to their own time. Out of curiosity, Arya played the mixtape one last time. Beneath the music, faint but clear, were two voices their own, forever record inside the tape. Somewhere in January 1996, the mixtape continued spinning, preserving their voice and proving that the time had bravely folded on itself.